Namaskar, I am Prakash, astrologer, presenting you weekly forecasts, week commencing 14th of December till 20th of December for 2020. The whole weekly prediction based on Indian Vedic astrology. You can take this prediction according to your moon sign as well as your ascendant, your rising sign, your Lagna Rashi, for all of you. Going to talk about Libra. Transit of moon for Libra in second house, 12th December till 14th December. Transit of moon in second house. When the moon is transit second house, at that time when the moon is transiting in second house, be careful with your finances. There's a tendency to lose money if you're not very careful. When the moon is transiting in second house, keep a close eye on your expenditure. You will be tempted to spend money unnecessarily. You will be tempted to invest money unnecessarily. Be extra careful when you're dealing or mingling with people around you. Don't take every pokey pie people are saying to you will work for you. No. People can make any statement, but that doesn't mean that all the statements are ultimately universal truth. The answer is no. If you're taking every literally word, if somebody raising your hopes and telling you pokey and telling you a shortcut to success, don't believe it. Please. You can never replace hard work and time. You want to achieve success, you have to invest hard work and time. And when you realize you end up fighting with these kind of people. People can cheat you, fraud your time, fraud your money, and run away with your hard-earning money. You have to guard your negative mentality, which you can act out of frustration, negative mentality or stress. And that particular action will backfire on your reputation. Don't do that. Obstacles in your workplace are there. When the moon is transiting second house, obstacles in your workplace will come up, but stick on. These are temporary obstacles, not permanent. You have to work hard. You have to invest time. You have to be sincere and honest with yourself. Physically, you feel down and your eyes may create a problem for you during this particular time. Mentally, you feel less content than usual. Moreover, this time period, you're not enjoying anything. You're disappointed and frustrated. But this is a temporary phase, not permanent. Go with the flow if you want to achieve your success. Go with the flow without wasting any time. When the transit of moon in second house, go with the flow. Do the best with your hard work. Invest more time. Listen to the well-wishers, not people who are telling pokey pie. There's no shortcut to success whatsoever. Transit of moon for Libra in third house, 14th December till 17th December. Transit of moon in third house. When the moon is transiting in third house, you enjoy the achievement of desired goal and success in your undertaking for those few days. When the moon is transiting in third house, with the possibility of some name, fame, recognition for people around you, this particular period brings you joy, good fortune on the monetary front. When the moon is transiting in third house, you could expect a clearance of past use, attainment of wealth, success in your ventures. When the moon is transiting in third house, on the home front, this period signifies ultimate happiness, harmony. During this time period, you could have the best of everything. Lifestyle, companionship, closeness. You would feel generally very happy whatever comes to you, whatever you have to do. A feeling of satisfaction would rule your mind. Chances are that you make best friend with companion, having a good timing with them. Transit of moon for Libra in 4th house, 17th December till 17th December till 19th December. Transit of moon in 4th house. Transit of moon in 4th house. When the moon is transit 4th house, brings some negative results, mostly related to health, happiness, family, life, peace of mind. When the moon is transit 4th house, utmost care is required when it comes to your own health and well-being and the family health and well-being. Moon is transit 4th house, you may have to handle a few problematic situations, sometimes not very comfortable with your tummy or chest or breathing. Decline in health become a cause of concern for you, especially when the moon is transit 4th house. Moreover, the health of the family member or relative will worry you quite a lot during this particular phase of time. When the moon is transit in 4th house, mentally you feel restless, doubtful of everybody around you. When the moon is transiting in 4th house. When the moon is transiting in the 4th house, try to keep your grief, fear, agony at bay. Recultivate your self-confidence, particularly this time. Build up your drive, motivate yourself, be more determined. Try to keep your mental equilibrium stable when the moon is transiting the 4th house. Balance, especially this time. Financially, this could be a trying time for you. When the moon is transiting in 4th house, expenses can be sky high due to your wrong indulgence that affect your future and venture and your financial backing. Be careful with your money matters. This is a time period you must take care of your relationship with close people around you. Refrain from any kind of animosity with anybody. Watch out and avoid anything that makes you unstable in your temperament. Refrain from consumption of any kind of intoxication. Refrain from foul behavior, please. When the moon is transiting in the 4th house, do watch yourself carefully. Transit of moon for Libra in 5th house, 19 December till 21st December. Transit of moon in 5th house. Moon journey through the 5th house brings some mixed negative results, especially when the moon is slender. You can be very disappointed in all your undertaking. Generally, this particular movement signifies major obstacles. If you're into business, trade, you face a lot of difficulty in closing any profitable deals. If you're planning to go abroad, you may have to go through quite a few obstacles, challenges before you get the green signal for your trip. This particular period where the moon is transiting in the 5th house makes you mentally very upset due to non-fulfillment of your desires in any of your undertaking. When the moon's transit in the 5th house, you're likely to entertain yourself very hard, and you keep on comparing yourself with your friends. You'll be embarrassed with yourself. You'll be disgusted at yourself. Your friends get more recognition than you, and you can be a little bit jealous, and sometimes you can't acknowledge, you can't digest the reality. Financially, when the moon is transiting in the 5th house, this could also be a trying time for you and very tough time. You have to control your finances, where to spend, how to spend, where you not to spend. You may lose some money and are going through a lot of financial losses in your ventures. Health needs more attention than usual. Problem of stomach and airborne disease may make you feel more sick. Look after your health. A feeling of dejection may also make you slack. Take care of yourself and respect your reputation in society or in your workplace. And make sure you shouldn't be part of any scandal. Justify your action before you operate anything under your wing. Please be careful. Look after your well-being. Stop blaming people. Start taking responsibility. And more you take over the responsibility, more you acknowledge few realities. What is not right for you, what is not good for you, you have a full given chance to rectify the situation as soon as possible. That's the best you can do. Blaming people will not take you anywhere. Blaming will not give you any success. No. Libra, in this coming week, you must sort out your Sun, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Rahu, Ketu for the prevention of any kind of professional losses, financial losses, lack of flow of income, obstacles in your professional and your career, issue with your family happiness, issue with your peace of mind and harmony. With the help of task, precaution, chanting, you can sort out this planet for your best. If you want to achieve complete weekly horoscope report, then do visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the full weekly horoscope report, implement the report and achieve your best. Libra weekly conclusion. In this coming week, you come across lots of challenges running around. Sometimes financial, professional challenges, complications can make you all over the place. Midweek improvement in your circumstances, stale project will be back on track. In midweek, the improvement will be there. Lot of your circumstances will improve during midweek. Lot of stale project will back on track. Lots of enthusiastic new planning will be there. New ventures, new project, new vision will be there. New energy will be there. More you become active, creative, dynamic, more you will achieve. Involve a new venture planning linked with foreign project. You'll come across major obstacle, delay, everything you do and perform sometimes happen. Most of your efforts will be handsomely rewarded. You have to take care of your health and well-being. Beware of family arguments or conflict. If you're traveling, then be careful. Beware of fraud or financial losses during your traveling. Please be careful. By the weekend, your circumstances will improve. A lot of unfinished task project will be done and dusted. Expenditure will be quite higher than your imagination, but you really have to work hard for your accomplishment. You'll be in contact with highly professional people, decision maker. Lots of running around and hassles. You will get the support and guidance and encouragement to achieve your objective. Libra task of the week. Do donate kheer to the temple. Feed 8 kilogram barley, combination of barley and black sesame seed. Mix them together, feed the birds. Do bury 40 gram black salt in the ground on Saturday morning. Precaution of the week. Refrain from any family arguments or conflict. Refrain from any professional conflict with anybody. Please, please. Refrain from any personal argument or professional conflict, please. Chanting for the Libra. Aum Eng Harim Sharim Kalim Hasso Jagat Prasutaya Name. More you do it, more you achieve professional rising, financial rising, name, fame, establishment. Many thanks for watching this weekly horoscope. Would you like to know more of what this coming week going to bring for you regarding situations, circumstances, scenarios? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming week regarding your actions, regarding emotions and visions? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming week? Would you like to have some guidance regarding decision choices you're making in this week and how you can overcome and resolve most of your hassles and complication and awkward situation and waste of time in this coming week? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough moon sign weekly horoscope report on video as well as written. Do visit our website prakashastrologer.com because I want you to win in every situation and be self-content and happy.